How to make a regular fridge into AI vending machine.
This is our AI vending fridge kit. So it includes a AI kit, including 2 cameras, and this is a card reader and a card reader holder. This one is an industrial router, provide internet. This one is an electricity locker, it's a lock, and power supply and power cable. So we just need to install this kit into the fridge. Then we can make this regular fridge into an AI vending fridge. First, we need to attach this AI box to the fridge. It should be on the top of the door. So these 2 cameras will be able to record the complete purchase process. And at the same time, you need to make a hole at the fridge door. You need to make a hole, and then we need to install our electronic lock to the fridge top. And connect the electronic lock to our AI box. The first step, we need to install the power supply. So depends on your available space, you may need to make some cover to prevent the rain enter into the power supply. So you need to attach this power supply to the fridge and connect the power supply to our AI box. Okay. So next, we're gonna put the industrial router into the fridge and connect. This one is power supply. From power supply, supply the power to the router. And connect a power internet cable, a LAN cable, supply internet to our AI box. It's connected to the card reader. This one is from internet cable and power supply. The internet cable connect to the router, and the power cable connect to the power supply, and then you need to attach the card reader to the card reader holder, and attach the holder to the fridge, and then install the card reader. Like this. I'll power it. Test. Last step, we need to put a metal part here on the top of the door. Now we successfully turn a regular fridge into an AI fridge. Let me demo you. Tap card. Now we can open the door, and we can take multiple products from the fridge and close the door. So shopping complete, and it will be locked again. If you want to change your fridge into an AI vending fridge, Contact us for more information.